Hello there, namaskar, feel the heart. In this presentation, I have brought you a really nice and very essential, a very useful phrase. There are two phrases that I'm going to teach you, and this phrase is going to enable you to give examples. You can compare yourself or your examples or your sentence with something else. So that will help you to increase the length of your sentence. Okay, like if you make a small sentence like this, then you'll be able to make another small sentence like this, and you connect it, and then your sentence will be bigger. You understand what I'm saying? Small sentence, you'll connect. It will be bigger. It's like a connector. Okay, how you can do it? It's very simple, very simple. Just two extra words you need to add, just two extra words, and you're done. What improvement it will make in your life? What? Not in life, sorry. In your Hindi adventure, let's say Hindi. I take it, learning something as adventure, you know. So it's like an adventure. So in your Hindi adventure, what what improvement it will bring you is your number of sentences will become more and more and bigger. And the next person in front of you, if he's a Hindi speaker, he will get impressed because you're making longer sentences and you're talking for a longer time. That eventually means that you know something Hindi, right? So let's get straight to the topic today. If you can see, I have written here like, right, or as. Both you can pretty much compare when you give examples in Hindi. So like and as. There are two phrases that I will teach you today. It's ki tarah, okay, ki tarah, and ke jaise, okay, ki tarah and ke jaise. These are actually same thing, you know, like as, something like that. I'm giving you one example, like see, like Sakira ki tarah gao. For starting this, I will actually where I have used ki tarah, okay? All right. So it's before the verb. Remember, before the verb, after the object and subject. Okay. So Sakira ki tarah gao. Pretty much you have already guessed what I'm trying to say here. Sakira ki tarah gao means gana means to sing, okay, and ga is the root form of the verb. So sing like Sakira, okay, sing like Sakira or sing as Sakira, okay. So Sakira ki tarah gao, Sakira ki tarah gao. Another one is, if you can see this example, Anil ki tarah dikhta hai. That boy looks like Anil, you know. That boy seems to be, you know, it appears to you like me. Feel the hard guy. So, वो लड़का, that boy looks like Anil. वो लड़का अनिल की तरह दिखता है. Simply अनिल की तरह दिखता है. Okay? मैं अनिल की तरह बोलता हूँ. मैं अनिल की तरह बोलता हूँ. I speak like Anil because I'm Anil. I mean, you can say. वो लड़की एमा की तरह दिखती है. वो लड़की any, you know, प्रियंका चोपड़ा की तरह दिखती है, you know. संतरा सेब की तरह होता है. संतरा सेब की तरह होता है. संतरा means you know, orange is like apple, okay. So संतरा सेब की तरह होता है. लड़का लड़के की तरह ही होता है. Another way to say the same stuff, exactly same stuff, okay. But this is my favorite, that's why I put this first, and this one is second one, ke jaise, okay. Now see here, same thing. Sakira ki tarah gao, sing like Sakira, sing as Sakira. Same thing I'm saying. Sakira ke jaise gao, Sakira ke jaise gao, okay. Salman Khan ki tarah nacho, Salman Khan ki tarah nacho, and Salman Khan ke jaise nacho, Salman Khan ke jaise नाचो. शाहरुख खान की तरह romance करो. I like his romance, by the way. I mean the words, the poetry, the lyric. Actually, I should salute to the lyricist. You know, lyricist, scriptwriter. Sorry. So here, Anil के जैसे दिखता है. Just like I said, Anil की तरह दिखता है. You can say Anil के जैसे दिखता है. Okay. Let me give you some bunch of examples. Anil की तरह बोलो. अनिल की तरह बोलो. अनिल के जैसे बोलो. भारतीयों के जैसे हिंदी बोलो. भारतीयों means भारत means India. भारतीयों means like Indians as a plural. भारतीयों की तरह हिंदी बोलो. पहलवान की तरह कसरत करो. पहलवान की तरह कसरत करो. like wrestlers, you know, do exercise. Kasrat means to do physical exercise. Okay, there are so many types of exercise, but when you say physical exercise, you know, like, and then that time you have to say kasrat, or you can say bayam. Okay, पहलवान की तरह व्यायाम करो, पहलवान की तरह कसरत करो, और पहलवान के जैसे कसरत करो, पहलवान के जैसे कसरत करो. Like I will go to the barber shop and I will say, cut my hair like, what is that kid name? Justin Bieber. I'm sorry if you're a Justin Bieber fan. जस्टिन बीबर की तरह बाल काटो, और सलमान खान की तरह बाल काटो, और आमिर खान की तरह बुद्धिमान बनो. Like be a wise person, like, you know, like a wise man like Amir Khan. Okay, आमिर खान की तरह बुद्धिमान बनो. Like book, किताब की तरह, you know, life is like a book, you know, you can say like जिंदगी किताब की तरह है. It's a Mahatma Gandhi. What is Hinduism? I was reading this. It's a really beautiful book. Anyways, so महात्मा गांधी की तरह सादा जीवन बिताओ, महात्मा गांधी की तरह सादा जीवन बिताओ, like simple, like, you know, साधारण जीवन, better you say, महात्मा गांधी की तरह साधारण जीवन बिताओ, like live a simple life like Mahatma Gandhi. महात्मा गांधी की तरह सोचो. Just an example, okay? I'm not saying to think like him. I'm just giving an example. So महात्मा गांधी की तरह सोचो, you know, और अनिल की तरह हंसो. Just kidding. I hope you understand how to use की तरह. Always remember the put about with which you are comparing or with which you're taking reference, that first. Okay, that's it. I hope it makes some sense. It's itching, man. I don't know. It's just like 23 days I haven't taken a shower. Just kidding. No, I took yesterday. I didn't take today, honestly. But do you believe that I took yesterday too? I may be lying. Anyways, in front of camera, I don't seems to be not clean. I think I'm clean enough. Anyways, what I'm trying to say that try to make some similar sentences in the comment section below. I'll definitely check it out. And if you have any more confusion or doubt about this topic, then feel free to ask me in the comment section, or wherever you can see, wherever you see, just ask me in all platform, or in my website anilmahato.com, or in Facebook, or in Twitter, or in YouTube. YouTube is the place where I spend more time, so it's better you comment below the YouTube. Anywhere, anytime, you please go ahead, just learn and try to make more sentences. And I'll see you in the next video relation. फिर मिलेंगे. Bye. Subscribe to किया ना? Huh? Did you subscribe? Okay, good. Bye.